My name is Ephraim Mujalefa. I'm employed by Minopex as an engineer in the plant. Look, we experienced a lot of problems, and I guess that is one reason why we started looking around for something that can give us value. This plant, for example, has got about 30 pumps that are running at all times. You need to have something that is very reliable, that you know if that's running, the plant will actually deliver on all the KPIs that it is supposed to deliver on. Firstly, what we were experiencing with some of the pumps, it's premature failures. We had to intervene very frequently on the pumps, at a cost, obviously, and at a risk of injuring people as well, over and above production time that we lose. And the PAB pump that we're talking about here is actually one of the best pumps I've ever seen, I must be honest. Today we decided to open up the pump to see if maybe there are any signs of wear for us to be able to change all the wear components. And to our pleasant surprise, everything still looked almost brand new. This is after almost 7 months, 8 months, whereas most of the pumps would have already failed almost catastrophically if you wanted to run it beyond the 6 months mark. It's a huge saving. If we could save money with all the equipment that we purchase to run the plant and still get the results that we want, what more do we want?